10 simple steps to reach financial freedom faster. Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Imagine waking up each day knowing you don't have to work for money, but instead, money works for you. That's the essence of financial freedom. And while it may seem like a distant dream, it's achievable with the right steps. In today's video, we'll share 10 simple yet powerful steps to help you reach financial freedom faster. These are practical, actionable strategies that can transform your financial journey. And make sure to stick around until the end. We've got a bonus step that's the secret sauce to financial success. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define what financial freedom means to you. Financial freedom is a personal goal, and it looks different for everyone. For some, it's about retiring early. For others, it's having enough passive income to cover their lifestyle. The first step is to define what financial freedom means to you so you can create a plan to achieve it. Clarity is the foundation of success. Actionable tips. Write down your vision of financial freedom. How much money do you need, and what lifestyle do you want? Calculate your freedom number by multiplying your annual expenses by 25, based on the 4% rule. Create a vision board or digital reminder to stay focused on your goal. Step 2. Track every dollar. You can't fix what you don't measure. Tracking your income and expenses is essential to understanding where your money is going and identifying opportunities to save or invest. Financial freedom starts with knowing your numbers. Think of tracking as a reality check. It's the first step to regaining control. Actionable tips. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or spreadsheets to track every dollar you earn and spend. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings to see where you can cut back. Review your spending weekly or monthly to ensure you're staying on track. Step 3. Create a freedom-focused budget. A budget is more than just limiting your spending. It's a plan for your money. A freedom-focused budget prioritizes saving and investing to accelerate your journey to financial independence. It's about aligning your money with your goals. Remember, a good budget isn't restrictive, it's empowering. Actionable tips. Use the 50/30/20 rule as a starting point: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or investments. Adjust your budget to prioritize saving and investing more aggressively. Set realistic limits for discretionary spending to avoid burnout. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your first line of defense against financial setbacks. Without one, unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs can derail your progress. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved protects your journey to financial freedom. Think of it as your safety net. It lets you take risks without fear. Actionable tips. Start with a small goal, like saving $1,000, and build from there. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account for easy access. Automate contributions to your emergency fund to make saving effortless. Step 5. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt can be a major roadblock on your path to financial freedom, especially if it comes with high interest rates. Paying off high-interest debt should be a top priority, so you can redirect that money towards savings and investments. The faster you eliminate debt, the sooner you can focus on building wealth. Actionable tips. List all your debts, including balances and interest rates, and prioritize paying off the highest interest debt first. This is known as the avalanche method. Use the snowball method if you need motivation. Start with the smallest balances to build momentum. Avoid taking on new debt while paying off existing balances. Step 6. Invest early and consistently. Investing is the fastest way to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Successful investors focus on consistency rather than timing the market. Investing turns your income into a wealth-building machine. Actionable tips. Open a brokerage account or tax-advantaged retirement account like a Roth IRA or 401k. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs to diversify your portfolio. Set up automatic monthly contributions to ensure you invest consistently. Step 7. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in an uncertain economy. Diversifying your income through side hustles, passive income, or investments reduces risk and accelerates your journey to financial freedom. Multiple income streams create financial security and faster growth. Actionable tips. Identify a skill or hobby you can monetize, like freelancing, tutoring, or selling digital products. Explore passive income opportunities such as rental properties, dividend stocks, or creating an online course. Reinvest additional income into your savings or investment accounts to compound your wealth. Step 8. Live below your means. Living below your means is the cornerstone of financial freedom. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about being intentional with your spending and saving the difference. The gap between your income and expenses is where wealth is built. Small sacrifices today lead to big rewards tomorrow. Actionable tips. Track your discretionary spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Avoid lifestyle inflation by keeping your expenses steady as your income grows. Focus on quality over quantity when making purchases. Step 9. Protect your wealth. Building wealth is one thing, keeping it is another. Protecting your assets through insurance, estate planning, and proper diversification ensures that unexpected events don't derail your progress. Financial freedom includes peace of mind. Think of wealth protection as an investment in your future security. Actionable tips. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, including health, auto, property, and life insurance. Create a will or trust to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Diversify your investments to reduce risk and protect your portfolio from market volatility. Step 10. Surround yourself with supportive people. The people you surround yourself with can influence your financial mindset and habits. Being around like-minded individuals who support your goals can keep you motivated and accountable. Avoid negativity and focus on building a network of people who inspire you. Your environment is a key part of your success. Actionable tips. Join personal finance communities online or in person to connect with others on the same journey. Seek out mentors who can provide guidance and advice. Limit time with people who discourage your goals or promote unhealthy spending habits. Bonus step, stay consistent and patient. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of consistent effort over time. Patience is key. By sticking to your plan and staying focused on your goals, you'll make steady progress, even when it feels slow. Remember, every small step adds up to big results over time. Actionable tips. Break your financial goals into smaller, manageable milestones. Celebrate your wins no matter how small to stay motivated. Keep reminding yourself of your why, the reason you started this journey. Financial freedom is achievable, and it starts with the steps you take today. By following these 10 strategies, you can take control of your finances, build wealth, and create a life of security and independence. Which of these steps will you start with? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from your Finance Lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.